All right, I know it's late. We're going to do a little product review. Got a few questions. First up, we have our new wheel spacers. It's carbon fiber 3D print. Those wheel spacers are used on the kinetic type foam wheels. This spacer allows you to adapt it to your JDO or just make your wheelbase wider. It does fit the RJ Speed hubs. It fits the DRC hubs. Real nice piece. 440 screws through both components. You're ready to go. That is the adapter. That is the wheel adapter. Everybody knows we got the 2-inch carbon fiber prints, front runners, funny cars, pro mods, JDOs, you name it. It's 2 inches. 2 inches tall. We now have the 1.5s. 1.5s for your direct drives, funny cars, pro mods, just about anything you can think of. 5/16 8mm hole, same as the RJ Speed, and a few others. You can run the 8mm bearing on the 5mm shaft. Let's see this bearing right here, the standard JDO bearing. Put it right on a JDO, put it on just about anything. Inside diameter of this wheel is 5/16 8mm. They press in. Flange bearing, no flange bearing. It does have a lip in there if you decide to not use a flange bearing. Third thing, we have our bandit kit. I get calls all day long. This kit's online. It is a full kit. Comes with everything you need to install. Screws, hinge pins. These have bushings. Bushings in the rod ends. It doesn't just ride on a piece of aluminum like the rest of them. Real nice piece. Hubs are already pre-assembled, shimmed, and the nuts come with it together. This is a full kit. Drive cups and an additional shims. Those are also on the website. If you guys have any questions, you can email us. You can direct message us. One of 4 of us will get to that stuff. If you need something custom made, definitely hit that inbox. We appreciate y'all watching. Thanks.